Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a web to lead form in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now you will need just to go to the setup page by clicking on this icon here, and then you will need just to choose setup. So from here, we will need just to search for uh, web to lead. So here, web to lead, and we will find these forms here. And basically, now you will be able to start creating your own web to lead forms. So as you can see, there is this create web to lead form, and we need just to click on this one. And from here, you will need just to include the field that you want to have in your form. And basically, you will need just to give the return URL where you want your web to lead form to be taken to the specified URL, and it can be whatever. So it's just make a test, even if it wouldn't work. So it's just a test. So here I'm just going to exclude this one, and I'm going just to click generate. And basically now all you need to do is to copy this code and copy it. And basically now you have your web to lead form that has been created successfully. All you need is just to include it into your uh, anywhere where you want to include this web to lead form, and you can have it embedded in your code or any page that you have, and that's it. We click on finish, and basically now you have created successfully a web to lead form, and now it is ready to be used in any page. So basically this is how you can create web to lead forms in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.